Alright, so in this video we're going to cover quite a few Bigo things, but they're pretty quick things. So I'm going to show you how to post, how to draft, how to use your drafts, how to edit, and how to use the community and the topics. Let's go. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your app. Oopsies. You're going to open your app. Open your app and oops, you're going to come up to your home page. And then from there, you're going to go make a post. So you want to click on the bottom right hand side that says me. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your eyes towards the bottom of the screen. You're going to see a little green square that says my posts. And you're going to click on my posts. And then you're going to click all the way at the bottom. There is a blue bubble that says post. Click on that. You're gonna make your post, whatever you're gonna write. Tap the title. Make sure you're in the title bar though. Type your title. And in the body, you can tag whatever friends you want. And if you're gonna tag them, you can pull up the emoji button. It just gives you the regular emojis. And then underneath there you can type a location. Underneath that you can put it in a community, or you don't have to. You can put it in a topic as well, but you have to do that from drafts, so we'll get back to that. And then you can set it public, which anybody will have access to, or you can click on that and set it to your fan group members only. So when you have fan group members and you have like behind the scenes or bloopers or whatever that only certain fan group levels get access to, that's where you're going to change that from public to fan group. Otherwise everything is public. And so at the bottom you see you can go to your album. So if you want to upload something from your phone, like a picture or a video, click on the album, click the video, or you can take a picture or a video. So you're going to click the camera, then there's audio and votes, which I feel like are pretty self-explanatory, but if you have questions, let me know and I'll go over them. So let's click on a video. Let's see, let's click on that video. So here you can trim it however long you want, front or back, just sliding it over. The bar at the bottom, slide that. Press it with your finger and slide it to the right or left, depending on how much you do. When you're done editing, you click on the top right hand check. And now here you can put in a song. If you click the top right hand corner, you can choose from whatever songs they have on here. Or if you go to local, on the right hand side you see local. These are your songs that you have in your iTunes. I believe it's your iTunes anyway. And you can choose from those. And then once you're done with that, you can, oh, I didn't have done that. I should have done that. Local, here, let's do that. Use and start shooting. Now we're gonna take it and we're gonna put that all the way down. We're gonna put that all the way down so you can hear me too. So this is what, if you go to the top right hand side, there's 3 lines with like little lines through the lines. That is the button on how to edit the volume of the sound and the volume of the music. The sound is the sound in your video. So if you're talking or whatever, that's the sound. The music is whatever music you just put in. So that's how to edit that. And then you'll click the blue check mark. And then if you want to use a different portion of the song, you'll click the music notes with the scissors. And you can trim the song so it starts. And I know sometimes life is not whatever you want to do. And then after you're done editing that, you can click the blue check. Now you can push the filters, which are the 3 circles at the bottom. You can change the filters. You can save it by clicking the little square with the flag, or you can push next. So next. Okay, so now if we're ready to post it, you can post it anonymously if you're like really worried. But if you want to post it, you go to the right-hand side and upper right-hand side, and click post. If you want to put it in drafts, you go to the upper left-hand side and click back. And now save and exit. And now, so we are still under the posts category. If you look at the very top and go all the way to the right hand side, you see an envelope. Next to that envelope, it says draft. So click on drafts. Oh no! Click on drafts. And now you're gonna click on that post you just made. Now, if you wanna put a topic in it, you can click on topic. And you can choose from these several topics here. And that way more people who are interested in, so like if you make a funny post, you can click amuse me, and then more people who are interested in something funny will be able to see that post. So I'm not going to post this, I'm actually going to delete it. So how to delete it is, oh my gosh, so many notifications. So how to delete it is the very upper right hand side, you see a trash can, you click that. And then you just push the red X. So if you have multiple posts, it won't delete anything until you tell it to. So even pushing that trash can, you're still fine. I freaked out the first time I did that, I had to do that. So you'll take the trash can, push that, and then there will be red X's next to the posts, and you just push the red X. And it will only delete the ones that you push the red X next to. And then you're done with the posts. So that's how posting and editing works. Now, communities and topics. So say I'm a singer. Oh, hold on. I'm a singer. So let's look for a singer community. We go to our homepage, which is the very bottom left-hand side that says home. Go there and then click at the very top right-hand side, click the search. And then let's type in singer, I-N-G-E-R, search. Okay, so now underneath the search bar, you see all, hosts, live, and community. Let's go to community. And now these are going to be all of the communities that have the word singer in them. So you can click on those and look through and see which ones you want to join. And then you can just click apply or join. Some of them are private and you have to apply for it, and some of them you can just join automatically. So you can join whatever communities you want. And so if you want to interact other than likes, so if you want to comment on somebody's post in a community, you have to join that community. Or if you want to post a post and put it in that community, you also have to join the community. But that's all about editing, posting and editing, as well as communities. I threw communities in there just because it was short. If you have any questions on any of those things, please let me know. And until next time, I love you, dream big, I believe in you, take action, and I'll see you next time.